Good morning, students. Very good morning, students. First, I thank to our institution, Indira Ganeshan College, and our principal for give this opportunity to meet my students through this session. All are be safe with your parents in home. Keep it up, students. Now we are going to motivation. I already told the motivation in the class. Motivation is a need or desire that energizes behavior and directs it towards your goal. What's the difference between your need and your desire? The motivation is two types. One is the extrinsic motivation and other is the intrinsic motivation. It is the important two types. Extrinsic motivation is something outside the person that energizes behavior. For example, money, fame, power, and some donations, prizes, memento, and etc. It's a extrinsic motivation, which is motivates you with some extrinsic factors. That is called extrinsic motivation. And then intrinsic motivation. Intrinsic motivation is something with the person that energizes behavior. It's a instinctive reactions, instinctive intrinsic energy. For example, interest, curiosity, your thinking and personal challenge and improvement, some happiness, love, etc. This is an intrinsic motivation. What motivates you to come to class? Students, what motivates you? In your class, your teachers motivates you. In your home, your parents motivates you. In your class, your friends motivates you. In your home, your relation motivates you and your colleagues motivates you, etc. But all are motivates you for your life improvement. That's all. Then perspectives and motivation. Perspectives to explain motivation include the following: intrinsic theory, drive reduction theory, arousal theory, hierarchy of motives, cognitive based theory, self efficacy. Do rats have a pretended work ethic? The earned was free food phenomenon. ஒரு ஃபுட்டு வச்சா அந்த ரேட் அந்த இடத்த எப்படி நோக்கி அதை எடுக்குது, அதோட இன்ட்ரென்சிக் ஸ்கில் அது. ஸோ இன்ஸ்டன்டிக் அண்ட் எவல்யூஷனரி சைக்காலஜி. Intrinsic or complex behavior that have fixed patterns throughout the different species and are not learned. Where the woman builds different kind of houses, the bird builds only one kind of nest. The image we are noted what are the women and the nest formation and the house formation differences. Next, drive reduction theory. When the instinct theory of motivation failed to explain most human motivation, it was replaced by the drive reduction theory. A physiological need creates an aroused tension state, in bracket drive, that motivates an organism to satisfy the need. It's explained Hull in 1951. It divided in three parts: need, drive, drive reducing behavior. Need. The human needs what? The importance life. Example, food, water is a basic need. And place. Drive, hunger, thirst. For induced drive reducing behavior, eating and drinking. It is important needed to our life. Drive reduction. The physiological aim of drive reduction is homeostasis, the maintenance of steady internal state. Example, the temperature maintenance only. The homeostasis is called as maintains your body temperature within as a room temperature. They maintain a steady internal state. Example, maintenance of steady body temperature. It's a same stage. It's a standard stage. It's a called as homeostasis. Note the image. Next, incentive. Where our needs push, incentives, positive or negative, any stimuli, pull us in reducing our drives. So, is negative or a positive pull with our friends, colleagues, in office, in school, in college, in social places, our peoples, etc. Henry Murray called these needs and pressures a food deprived person, within bracket hunger, who smells baking bread, within bracket incentive, the food feels a stronger hunger drive. What need would you explain why we seek thrills, excitement? Why do we like scarcity movie? What drives are being reduced by going on a roller coaster or parachuting? Thinking with a picture for incentive. Optimum arousal. Human motivation aims to seek optimum levels of arousal, not to eliminate it. Young monkeys and children are known to explore the environment in the absence of need based drive. That's all. Hierarchy needs. The Abraham Maslow in 1970 suggested the certain needs. Already told the Maslow needs have priority over others. Physiological needs like breathing, thirst, and hunger come before psychological needs such as achievement, self-esteem, and needed for recognition. The Maslow first explained 5 needs of human in 1954, but the root divided 5 needs into 7 needs. Again, the Maslow orderly through the steps explained the needs at 7 in 1972. That's all. Maslow hierarchy of needs in 5 needs such as a rectangle shape. It's a steps like a steps, Maslow steps, needed steps. One of the physiological needs needed to satisfy hunger and thirst. Safety needs need to feel that the world is organized and predictable. Need to feel safe, secure, and stable. Belongingness and love needs need to love and be loved, to belong and accepted need to avoid loneliness and alienation. Esteem needs need for self-esteem, achievement, competence, and independence, need for recognition and respect from others. Self-actualization needs need to live up to once. So all needs to needed of humans only. So self-efficacy. Bandura tell self-efficacy. A belief, it's a cognitive theory in one's abilities to succeed. A sense of control over one's environment, for example, social, work, etc. Self-efficacy can be strengthened with clear goals, social modeling, feedback, and challenges to current ability levels. On YouTube, there are many short videos about self-efficacy. Classic position on motivation. The 3 intelligent psychologists tell about classic positions in motivation. Faraday, Skinner, and Maslow Rogers. Faraday tells 3 mind division. It is divided into mind into 3 portions: id, ig, ego, and superego. Is tell by Faraday, Michael Faraday. Skinner explained enforcement or reinforcement. It is 2 types: positive reinforcement and negative reinforcement. It's nothing but positive reinforcement. For example, the teacher The teacher provide some prizes to our work in our college or classroom. Some memento presentation or sports day and like us annual day. So it's a encouragement process also called a positive reinforcement. But negative reinforcement like that, some punishment is a negative reinforcement and a negative encouragement like us. Humanistic Maslow Ragas tell us self-actualization is called as only a self-respect. Next, specific motivation. Specific motivation is nothing but social, control, hunger, sex, belonging, work. Is a in our body mentions some things as so control yourself. See a specific motivation. Then social motivation. So social motivation, some people's motivate you. Others' opinions and evaluation of self contribute to strong motivating system. Social facilitation, social loafing, self monitoring, fame, and social media. Being known, famous, recognized, may praised, being liked, Jerry Springer's guest, conformity, fitting in, being liked, avoiding rejection or exclusion. Social motivation contributes to what and how much we eat, whether or not we smoke, take drugs, have sex. That's all. The social facilitation, causative or evaluative presence of others, arousal, likelihood of dominant response, performance on easy well learned task, then performance difficult to poorly learned task. But why? Calm presence, evaluation operations, distraction, conflict. So calm presence explained Joyan 1966, the evaluation apprehension explained Kochel in 1968, the distraction conflict explained Baron and Sanders in 1986. That's all. So the social facilitating the complex of expression, the image, note it. Social loafing, they explained by Latney, Williams and Harkness in 1979. So this image is focused. Reduce effect, coordination loss, obtained output, it's actual group, and sound pressure proportion in pair. It's like as a graph as a social loafing. So it explained Latney, Williams and Hawkins for potential. Control motivation. Reactance, learned helplessness. Reactance, when you feel that your freedom is being restricted, you will act in such a way to regain that freedom. Learned helplessness upon repeated non-contingence between one's behaviors and one's outcomes, and after initial reactance, learned helpless occurs. Uncontrolled negative outcomes more likely to cause LH than uncontrolled positive outcomes. But see, self-handicapping, giving up, pessimism, depression, like a tutorial for the focused image. The uncontrollable bad events, it leads to possessive lack of control, leads to generalized helpless behavior. That's all. So thank you, students. I will explain the motivation in our class. Already told that. Thank you very much. Is it clear? Any doubt? Any clarification? Call that.